everyone. Hello to all my friends, families over here. I am so excited today because, as you guys know, I'm in USA, of course. For those who don't know, I wanted to make another video of my announcement, but I thought what could be a better opportunity other than this. I am here in Atlanta in Jamaat Khana event is there. It's a Salagre event, and this is a one of the kind first event, okay, which is happening in here. And there are different activities for Jamaat, and I'm here serving since morning 9 a.m. and it's almost what time is it? It's 7:54. It's almost 8 p.m. So I'm sorry for my voice, but just having a little bit cold due to the climate, of course. So I'm just gonna tell you what program it is very quickly. There are different activities for the Jamaat that are being arranged, and it's really good. It's wonderful ideas, projects have been, organized for the Jamaat, and I just want to show you that there's this selfie corner. It's really beautiful, and then we have the gratitude tree activity one where you can write a thank you, a gratitude to Mola Papa, and you can just be thankful for what you have, and if you want to say something you can write it on a board and hang it on the tree, take a selfie. And then we had other activities right here. If you see behind me, there is another room. The room is this one, but there are activities like we had 1:30 p.m. was the bingo, and then the imams inside that which was Kahoot. I don't know if you can see. Trying to show you. This is the Kahoot. Did it? So 4 p.m. was Kahoot, and then there is Quest for Knowledge, Geopardy, which was at 5 p.m. So these three events were here in this ballroom, and there's another ballroom where we have board games arranged for the Jamaat and the kids and everyone. So there you have to go and just play Monopoly, or you can play card games, Unos, and then business, and then Ludo, kind of all types of board games, cards, everything. Okay, so this was really fun. It's over now, and you can see there's no one here because it's since 9 a.m. in the morning, so the crowd has been a lot, and I did not got a chance to record a video. But right now it's another program starting really soon at 8 p.m. So I thought before that I have just 10-15 minutes in my hand, so let me just quickly give this idea. And then you can see as my hand there was a henna tattoo. So this is really cool. I got this idea. It's really cool, and I'm gonna start using this for all my festivals from now on. So I was the leader for this one. So I was applying henna tattoos to the Jumu'ah, and it was really good. All the tattoos are over. Children are taking it home, and that's the reason we got it a little less. But it was really good. Actually, everybody were enjoying. Okay, then I'm gonna show you what else we have. We also had an activity of making a bookmark. It's a wooden bookmark, but you can draw, you can write whatever you want on it, and you can take it home. And then there's a black color paper which you scratch, and there's color coming out of that. So you can make different designs and geometries and whatever you like, and you can take it as a bookmark again. Okay, so yeah, this is another stand which says, the first one says henna tattoo. Then we have the gratitude tree. We have unity launch, which is just a reflection and quiet corner where you again go and listen to the poetries and songs and everything. Then we have workshops, that's the henna tattoo and everything. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you that side was a food court, but the food court is not something which I'm just going to show you. And then here we have Tales, Tricks and Treasure in this room. Let me go close. Tales, Tricks and Treasure. So what you do is story time for the kids. There are story time. There is magician. 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Two shows are available. And then here we have art and craft 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. where kids can do some creativity, some craft ideas, and lots of things. Okay? And then we had an art gallery where everybody did their showcase of art. Right now it's kept below because, as I told you, I'm very late. Otherwise it was displayed in a big wall. Right now the wall was temporary wall, so it got removed, but I am just giving you a gist of it. So everybody who did their art can display it on that. And you can see these are lovely art. that a lot of people did, and that the artist can also take it back home. So these are really beautiful, and as I told you, I'm late, and then these are just flower pots, and there are a few here. Okay, so coming back to the gala that we have at 8 p.m. It's a very great show. There are performances, dances, music performances, and then there is also something called a silent disco. Now this is something which I absolutely loved it. Silent disco is where you use your headphones and you go to the disco. So it's something which we all must have seen in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil movie, where you put the headphones, you select your channel, you select your song, and then you enjoy, just dance. It's actually here, it's called as silent disco. This is a perfect activity for kids, for adults, and I personally loved it. I just loved it, okay? I did really enjoy. Right now there's another show at 8 p.m. for the gala and followed by the silent disco. And we also have night games. Night games as in glow-in-dark games are known as night games, of course. So what exactly it is, I don't know, but I'm going to show you once I get to know. So I'm just waiting for the gala doors to get opened. Right now they are closed. Volunteers are standing outside. Hi! So volunteers are standing outside and we are going to go inside very soon. So we'll find out what exactly it is, okay? And yeah, other than that, what did I miss? Did I miss something? There was food, there was registration, and a lot of fun. Still, they are registering. They are giving this free registration goodies, which is a band, and I think it's a glow-in-dark band. I think you can see it behind me. Someone's wearing it. And there's a glasses, which is glowing glasses. If I can show you here. Hello. These are the registration team, and these are working really hard, and I'm so glad to get an opportunity to serve in this section. Yeah. Okay, due to some reason these are not working, but these are the glow in light specs.
I'm so sorry.
You can see
Okay.
something behind me.
2 minutes? Don't worry, it's not starting.
It's lighting. So these are the goodies. Thank you. So these are the glow-in-dark activities that we have, and it's really great. And the occasion was really, really good. I'm going to show you more details once I get in the gala. Okay, the decoration, selfie corner, it's written that it is celebrate. Okay, so it's really good. So I'm just... Okay, so now I'm already inside the gala and I have registered for it. I have received this beautiful band and I have recorded the video, but my voice is not clear because there is a lot of noise behind me. There's live music going on, and that's the reason my voice is not audible. I had to apply another audio. Let's enjoy the music now.
महसूस होगी भिगा देगी जब बारिशें मैं भर कर के लाया हूँ आँखों में अपनी अधूरी सी कुछ ख्वाहिशें रूह से
This was about live music, gala. We have food over there, Chinese and Mughlai food. I think there's pav bhaji as well for the veg people, and we have veg crispy and stuff like that. And performances are gonna start real soon. And this is what I was talking about. It's a silent disco. As you can see, everybody is on with the headphones and they are listening to music. There are 3 channels, I think. One goes with the international music, one goes with the Bollywood music, and another one is, I think, something mixed of Pakistani music, African music, and because we have mixed cultured everybody, and you can see people are enjoying behind me. So I can see they are dancing. I don't know which song is going on, but something's really good because they are enjoying. So the color is basically the channel. The blue color is channel 1. I think majority of them are on blue. I can see blue, 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 and then those who are on green is the second channel, so we can come to know how many people are listening which song. So majority is blue, and that's the green is the goggles, I think. Okay, now everybody turned on green. Okay, now this particular man also turned on green. Okay, but this is really interesting. I already heard it, and it's super fun, and the DJ is doing really great. So live music, yeah, I'm gonna attach a couple of music in my video, so you can check that how beautiful they are singing. Yeah.
मुझको क्या हुआ है, क्यों हो गया हूँ पागल, ना मैं पहले या अब हो गया हूँ। बेटी है निगाहें और बिगड़े हाल, तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल। कोई मिल गया, कोई मिल गया, मेरा दिल
नजरों से नजरें मिली तो जन्नती महकी फिजाएं, लब ने जो लब छू लिया तो आसमां से बरसी दुआएं। ऐसी अपनी मोहब्बत, ऐसी रूह है इबादत, हम पे मेहरबान दो जहां। शुक्र अल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र अल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
ना 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 प्यार की ये कहानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी, होती क्या है जवानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी, वो भी एक दौर था, वक्त ही और था जब वो थे अजनबी। दोनों तरह से थे पर वो कहते कैसे बात जो दिल में थी। रा 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 कलोरे परदेसिया, आओ बदारो पिया।
A life-giving force. Woman, a life-giving nurturing force. The women of Rajasthan walked for miles to fetch pani or water for their families and infused the Panihari folk music with themes of rain, love and family. A billion people on this earth cannot access clean drinking water. Even today, a woman walks 6 kilometers to fetch water for her family.
Okay, so with this I'm going to end my video here, and I just want to say I have missed a lot of things still to be added in this video, and performances are not there. I know night games are not there, but unfortunately, as I was serving, so I did not got a chance to go in that room, and I was already very late by the time I decided I am going to make a vlog. So all the activities were, most of them were wind up, and half of the Jamaat, half of the audience who are attending it, they already went home. So in the video there's not much crowd, and not a lot of activities involved. I know that, but you know, मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं कुछ ना बताऊँ उससे तो अच्छा है कि मैं कुछ बता दूँ, right? So इसके लिए the fun, the enjoyment, the new activities, if you like, you can use it when you have next family get together, or if you plan to do something big, you know. So yeah, and of course आप देख सकते होगे मैं ड्रेसअप चेंज कर लिया है, तो मैंने 1-2 दिन बाद ये एंड वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया है, बिकॉज मैं आपको बताना चाहती थी कि इसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस वगैरह नहीं है, और जैसे ही मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई उसको बेसिकली. सो as soon as I get those videos, photos, anything extra from my friends or relatives, or you know, those audience who attended it and recorded it, I am going to upload it on the YouTube shorts. So for that, you all you need to do is just follow me, and this is my new YouTube channel, so subscribe it, because I'm going to post more videos about I've been just here for 5 months, but whatever my experience have been here, and whatever tips other people have given us, I'm going to share it. And in case you have any questions, you can always ask me, and I'm there to help you. So yeah, that's it. So starting with this new journey, I hope you all will follow me and stay with me together. Stay tuned. And yeah, that's it. I guess I'm happy, I'm excited to begin the... Oh yeah, there's gonna be snowfall next week, everybody's saying, so I'm gonna be adding that vlog as well, and it's gonna be my first snowfall. I am so happy about it, and stay tuned for images and videos about it. That's it. I'll see you very soon next week. Tata. Just wanted to add a few more lines about what the festival was, for those who are still confused what the celebration was, why was it celebrated. So it's basically a celebration of Ismaili community. It's a religious festival. They are celebrating a birthday of someone whom they follow a lot. It's like he is the leader for us. He is Karim Aga Khan. So we follow him, and he gives us a lot of guidance on how we can live our life, and how, you know, we can grow in our lives. So in times of good or bad, he guides us a lot. So अगर मैं आपको हिंदी में बताऊँ तो वो हमारे गुरुजी हैं, हम उनको फॉलो करते हैं. वो हमें जैसे कि पंडित जी होते हैं, हम उनसे गाइडेंस लेते हैं. जैसे कि प्रीस्ट होते हैं क्रिश्चियंस में, तो हम उनकी गाइडेंस लेते हैं. तो ये हमें गाइडेंस देते हैं, हम इन्हें मानते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. तो उनका बर्थडे था, सालगिरह थी, तो हम सब उसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे. सो दैट्स इट.